Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be simplifying this expression. I'll be glad if you pause this video, take a look at this expression, then come back to see my solution. That said, let's get into class. Now, the expression says that x minus 3y all raised to power 2 minus x plus 3y all raised to power 2. We're to simplify this simple expression. Now, we know that this x minus 3y all raised to power 2, I can rewrite it as x minus 3y into x minus 3y. Now, this will be minus now here. Here is the first set. Then here is the second set. That will be x plus 3y into x plus 3y. Now, I have a task to expand each of these. I'll pick my first x, I'll multiply this expression, then I'll pick the 3y, I'll also multiply the expression. So that becomes x into x minus 3y into x minus 3y. So I'll do the same thing here again, minus, I'll pick x again into x plus 3y, then plus 3y into x plus 3y. Then I'll close my bracket. So that the first expansion will be x times x here, that will give you x squared. X times minus 3y, that's minus 3xy. 3y times x again, that will be minus 3xy. Now I have minus 3y times minus 3y, that becomes plus 9y squared. I'll close the bracket, minus x now again minus 3yx, that's x squared, plus 3xy plus 3y again times x, that's 3xy plus 9y squared. I'll close the bracket. Now let's simplify further. This will be x squared minus 3x minus 3x, that's minus 6xy plus 9y squared. I'll close the bracket, minus x squared now again becomes x squared plus 3y plus 3xy plus 3xy, that's plus 6xy plus 9y squared. That becomes x squared minus 6xy plus 9y squared. Now I have minus times x squared, it becomes minus x squared minus 6xy minus 9y squared. Now I have x squared minus x squared, that cancels. I have plus 9y squared minus 9y squared. I'm left with minus 6xy and minus 6xy. That becomes minus 12xy. So in simplifying it, we've come down to minus 12xy. With this, I hope you understand how I went about simplifying this expression. In case you have gray areas, please do not hesitate to use the comment section. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.